Hey guys, welcome to another video. Do you know that with the Twitch viewer bot, you can increase your stream numbers effortlessly? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to get 100% working viewer bot that delivers instant viewers with a quick setup. Without wasting more time, let's get started. Okay guys, so now I'm on my laptop and I'm going to go to Twitch TV now. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can get Twitch views and chatbots. So let's go to live channels. People that has low engagement, for example this one. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take his username, okay? So I'm gonna copy his username and I'm gonna go to followerspanda.com. So this website that we're gonna use, let's click on Twitch viewer bot. It's here. Now let's scroll down. Okay, we have here 3 plans. Affiliate, $20 per 7-day. This package will help you reach Twitch affiliate program criteria. So what's included: 20 live viewers, 15 realistic chatbots, 350 followers. So many features, okay? The second one is growth, $40. It gives you 35 live viewers, 25 realistic chatbots, and the last one, which is partner, for $75, 85 live viewers, 40 realistic chatbots, okay, and so many. So let's choose the first plan. And here, as you can see, I'm gonna choose the chat configuration, which is random chat. So if you want to choose a custom chat, you can choose it, but for me, I'm gonna just go with random chat. So for custom chat, just click on here and give chat ideas, okay? So for me, I'm gonna go back to random chat. Here, I'm gonna enter the username, okay? So username, here you can enter your email, okay? So make sure you give the right email because you will need to receive a code, okay? Agree, and now proceed to checkout. Okay, so here you're gonna be needing to enter the 6-digit verification code that you're gonna receive in your email. So yeah, that's the code. I'm gonna copy it, paste it here. Here I'm gonna enter the password, and here confirm the password, and boom, we're good. Okay, proceed to checkout. Here you need to confirm the information before to proceed to payment. Okay, I think all is good. All right, Twitch viewer bot, so proceed to payment. Okay, so here you have 3 ways to pay: credit or debit card, PayPal, or Bitcoin, or crypto in general, okay? So you can choose whatever you want, you have the choice. For example, if you want credit or debit card, you can just select it, or Bitcoin crypto, you can just select it and click on pay with wallet, okay? Okay, so our payment status is success now. So as you can see, guys, it's pending now. It might not show you the views and chatbots, but just wait for it until it become completed. Okay, so now it's pending. Just try to keep refreshing to see if it's still pending. So I'm refreshing now. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, it's good now. Okay. All right, so we need to, okay, so as you can see here, you can pause the action. For example, if you got 15 Twitch chatbots, if you want to pause it, you can just click on pause here, okay? So here, as you can see, we got viewers here, okay? So all is good, we have chat. So that's it, guys. I hope this video is helping you to get chatbots and views on Twitch, and see you in the next video.